name is Ravindra. In this video, I will show you how to type on Google Doc using Google's voice command feature. I have already created a Google Doc here, and make sure that you have the right access to this Google Doc. Now click on Tools. Now click on Voice Typing, and if it asks you for any kind of permission, just please grant the permission to this Google Chrome. Now after that, click on this icon. Hello guys, my name is Ravindra full stop. I upload tech videos every week, full stop. Please subscribe to my channel, full stop. In this way, you can type on the Google Doc. It's almost 99% accurate. Here we can see that here it should be capital P and here should be comma. So in this way, we can type on Google Doc using the voice command feature. Please make sure that you have the right access to this Google Doc before commanding the Google's voice feature. Now, if you want to look at different commands, then go to this page. I have shared this link below in description, and here you can see all the commands like select text, format your documents. There are various commands that you can use in this Google Doc. For example, if you click on stop voice typing, you just have to say stop listening, and in this way the microphone will stop listening to the commands. So these are the various commands that you can use in the Google Doc. I hope that you like this video. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. All the best. Keep coding.